Morning friends, Drew here in beautiful 𝗵𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. Beautiful, slightly overcast day, just exactly what you want for a nice day on the roof. This customer called us back a couple weeks ago when the major windstorms came through. We had some of those just almost tornadoes that ripped through Landenberg and different places, and they lost a tree branch from one of these big guys right on the back side of their roof, punctured right through the sheathing that was there. So they called us to come out, and we were able to get up and kind of patch the OSB from the bottom, just push it back up and get a 2x8 underneath there to help hold things, and then got up on top and patched the roof temporarily just to hold them until we could talk about whether they wanted to do a more permanent repair in that area, take off some shingles, replace the sheathing, put some shingles back on, or whether at this point in the life of the roof and their life of their home ownership and how long they plan to stay here, does it make sense to go ahead and replace the roof. So we're going to get ready to start that today. We've already got our trash trailer on site, and the guys are on their way, and I just kind of wanted to give you the before look so you could see where we were before things got started. We're also going to be doing gutters all the way around for them, and so we'll get the roof taken care of first, and then our gutter crew will come behind and take care of that. But we thought we'd give you the short tour of what's going on here and what we got. We got a couple different roof lines, a couple different hips we're going to take care of. And this is just going to be a phenomenal job when it's finished. So we're looking forward to getting this done. As you can see, we have a bunch of large trees back here and different pieces that have come down. Thankfully, the branch that landed on the roof wasn't all that large. I'd say it's probably somewhere in the neighborhood of something like this, but it was enough to puncture through the roof. And so we got that sort of patched, but now we're gonna go through and reshingle everything here on the back. Get that completely cleaned off, and then they'll know that they'll have a good roof that'll last them 20, 30 years, whatever it's going to be. And so lots of different lines to deal with, lots of different stuff back here. So it's a little bit more exciting than a straight ranch roof, but that's what the joy of being in this business is all about, is every day is something new and something different. So looks like our shingle buggy is just getting here, coming down the road here. So we're going to bring that up, get that position where we want it, and that'll help us keep the yard and everything neat and clean, because we're able to shingle right off the roof and shove that right into the roof buggy. I like having the right tools for the job. So we got our roof buggy here, we got our trash trailer here, we got our materials here. I think it's time to start stripping this roof off. So one of the things we like to do when we're roofing your house, I usually ask our customers if they will turn off their air conditioning system so that we can turn off the outside unit here, and then I'll throw some padding on top of that and just throw a tarp on it, just in case something accidentally came off the roof. A guy left his hammer slip or whatever happens, that we've sort of tried to protect that a little bit. And if you've got anything outside, potters, plants, lawn furniture, deck furniture, we'd usually ask that if you take that and move that off the deck away from the work area just to protect your stuff, that's usually a good idea as well. Looks like the guys are getting the buggy out and getting ready to bring that over. And we're getting all set up and ready to go here. It's gonna be a fun little day. It's gonna be cool. So we'll give you guys the video as we go and keep you posted on the progress. If we can do a roof for you, help keep your family dry, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. Cope is your full service construction and renovation company. There's nothing we don't do. Roofing, gutters, siding, James Hardie board, windows, doors, decks, everything on your interior, your plumbing, your electrical, your drywall work. Those water leaks from the bathtubs and different things, we can repair all that for you. Want to build a custom dream home? We're there to help you out. Looking to put a garage or an addition on? Let's have a conversation. Remodel that master bathroom, redo your kitchen, make over your basement? Give us a call, 484-748-0008. The fastest way to reach our team, take a picture of what it is that you want done or the space that's involved. Send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that message us button there at the top. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, click that bell notification so you get notified whenever we release a new video. And we'll keep you posted on all the exciting things that we're working on here, and you might even learn some DIY tips along the way. My name is Drew with Cope Construction and Renovation, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you'll be proud to say it's not just done, It was Coat Built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.